Hey guys, this is another tutorial video brought to you by johnsjava.webs.com. Today we're going to be covering inheritance. Let's see. The first method I'm going to make, first class I'm going to make, is a person. And we're just going to have to create a standard person class. And all this person's name is going to be is whatever the user puts in, I guess. And see, it's just a very simple class with one name. With one variable or object, I guess. What folder should I put? Oh. Okay, now we've created a person. And now there's different types of people, obviously. So, how do we handle that in Java? Here's what you do. Let's see. What's a type of person? Oh, a student. And if you've ever read a Java textbook, this is exactly the same way that they do it. They have people and students. This is how they handle inheritance. Public class student extends. Don't worry about why it's called extends. Person. Now, the way you should read this is student is a person. It's a very simple relationship between the two of them. ID. And you see that I have put name, in the parameters. And you might think, well, I don't have a variable to store this to. Well, yes, I do. Name equals in, and ID equals I. And you can pretty much figure out where I got name from. The person has a name, so since the student is a person, the student has a name. And we'll make a method, public void print tag system.out.println. Okay, so I will compile this as student, save. Oh, you can't actually assign name. Well, you can assign name like this, but you've got to remember you always have the constructor, that's what this method is called, of the extended class in or as the first line of the student constructor. So in super, I could have put person, well, I at least think I can put person. see, can I do this? No, I can't. So, super. It just simply means that when you create a student, you're also making him a person. And is a person with the name in. Let's make another type of person. Public class. Oh. Teacher. Extends person. And a teacher will have a student. And yes, your teachers are people too. There is the super constructor again. Super constructor. And student equals S. It's very tedious work writing Java. Public void print tag. I guess I could do. And now we're going just to create a test class. Public static void main during args. And okay, let's create a generic person. Person P equals new person. I'm just gonna call this person Sam. Okay. And system.out.println p.name. Okay, let's create another person, but this person is going to be a student. Student. S equals new student Nick. And his student ID is going to be 1234. And s.print tag. Teacher T is also going to be a person, but he is a teacher. His name is going to be John, and his student is going to be S, which is Nick. P.print tag. Okay, this is very basic stuff. Test. Oh, colon expected. Whoopsies.